Industrial robots can be retrofitted with new sensors and software to make them more intelligent and capable. Collaborative robots work safely alongside humans. They are used in manufacturing, assembly applications, healthcare, and other industries. Service robots perform tasks that are done by humans, such as cleaning, delivery, and customer service. Mobile robots can move around autonomously. They are used in logistics, warehousing, and healthcare. Delivery robots can deliver food, groceries, and other packages to customers' homes and businesses. Artificial intelligence and digital automation make robots more intelligent and allow them to work more effectively with other machines and systems. Robots can repair themselves and reduce the cost and downtime of robot ownership. Thanks to advances in artificial intelligence and materials science, artificial intelligence plays an important role in robotics, enabling robots to perform more complex tasks and adapt to changing environments. Robotics engineers can design and build robots, as well as program them to perform specific tasks. AI is used to develop digital automation solutions that can work alongside robots to improve efficiency and productivity.